want Europe to become the first climate-neutral continent in the world by 2050.
Hydrogen is a key component of Europe's decarbonization strategy. The European Commission proposes to regulate the hydrogen transport infrastructure, including existing ones, to provide open access and accelerate the maturity of the market. Production and transport activities will have to be unbundled and third-party access to all networks made possible against a fee. In parallel, the group recently revealed its new strategic plan, Advance, and confirmed its leadership in the decarbonization of the industry and in the emergence of a low-carbon society in which hydrogen plays a decisive part. Today, Air Liquide has the largest hydrogen network in Europe with around 1,200 kilometers. It is at the heart of a reliable and high-purity hydrogen supply for its large customers. This Commission's proposal supports the scale-up of the hydrogen market, which is full of opportunities, but would impact the current hydrogen supply models to customers. Geneviève Samson is leading a strategic project on possible future models in this context. The objective is to reinvent our role and the way we further bring value to our customers after 2030, in line with the group's ambition, and get prepared for the new regulated environment.
It's a real challenge because we want really to reinvent the value for our customer that we are bringing to them today without the exclusive use of our hydrogen networks in Europe.
Aurélien Fabre works at iLab, the Air Liquide's foresight department. iLab's mission is to accelerate the group's readiness to operate in future business environments. With multiple external and internal partners, the iLab team explores emerging issues, facilitate awareness on the drivers of change, and co-design inclusive methodologies to investigate how we might respond to future challenges.
We have a set of foresight methodologies, of foresight tools that we adapt to the partner's request, to the partner's need, and to the project, to the topic. On this project, iLab really was a catalyst for the Aligned project, helping the participants share view and engage in productive conversations.
A seminar co-designed with the iLab took place at the end of 2021 in Brussels, mobilizing key internal stakeholders. The methodology approach and a thorough preparation fostered the power of collective intelligence.
I think what was really unusual for the people was to project themselves in so long-term future, 2035, and also the fact that at the beginning we said you forget about Air Liquide and you really focus on the ecosystem, on the stakeholders.
And starting in the far future and then coming back to the present, I think it also helped the participants look at our current strengths with new eyes and thinking of new ways to leverage them.
It was a real chance to have iLab with us on this project. They play a role of catalyst to really build this collective intelligence to shape new futures.